everyone! Today's recipe is a delicious beef stew with potatoes, the famous carne de panela in Brazil. The ingredients we'll need for our stew are 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of the meat of your preference cut into cubes. We are using boneless chuck, 1 medium chopped onion, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil, 1 cup or 250 ml of water, 4 medium chopped potatoes, 1 medium diced tomato, chopped parsley to taste, 1 cup or 250 ml of tomato sauce, 2 level teaspoons of annatto powder, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. First, add the onion and pour the oil into a pressure cooker over medium heat, stirring constantly. When the onion starts turning slightly golden, add the garlic and continue stirring. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the meat of your choice. Stir it, sautéing the meat. Next, pour the annatto powder and smoked paprika. Then, add salt to taste or 3 level teaspoons. Continue stirring, sautéing briefly. Now, pour in the tomato sauce and water. Add the diced tomato and stir again. Cover the pressure cooker and leave it on medium heat until it reaches pressure. Once it does, set a timer for 20 minutes. If you open the cooker and find the meat is still tough, cook for an additional 10 minutes under pressure. After turning off the heat and releasing the pressure, open the cooker and taste the dish to check if it needs more salt. Then, pour the parsley to taste and then add the potatoes. Mix well, cover the cooker again and leave it on medium heat for another 10 minutes in total. You don't need to wait for full pressure to build up this time. The total cooking time is sufficient. Then, turn off the heat. Allow the pressure to release completely before opening the cooker. And that's it! Your delicious beef and potato stew is ready to serve. Enjoy! Today we have 3 golden tips to help you out while doing this recipe. The first is to serve your beef stew with fluffy white rice or even with fresh bread to suck up all the delicious sauce. Our next tip is that you can add any other seasonings to this recipe to enhance the flavor, like black pepper, oregano, or even sliced bell pepper. It will make the sauce even tastier. Last but not least, for an even richer flavor, let the stew rest for a few minutes before serving. This helps the juices to spread, making the meat softer and tastier. And that's it! Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments if you tried this dish and how it turned out. We are grateful for your time and we are wishing you lots of blessings from Brazil. See ya!